Indicators here. So we're in a trade going on right now where we are taking a short on MNQ. We're in 4 micros, and pretty much what we're doing here is we waited for, you can see where I got in, we waited for a break of the Maverick guide and the background to turn red. And look at all these down confidence heroes that are just screaming at me to get into this trade. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down confidence heroes. And you can tell that this is a reversal because we had the gray candles, which was kind of losing some steam here. And then we turned red and now pink candles. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. There we got another confidence hero right there. We're up on about $160 on 4 micros. So I mean, on MNQ, what are you making per micro? 50 cents per contract. So this is just a monster trade here. And I'm going to look to my left because I want to come up with a, where do I want my take profit here? Let me get rid of this real quick. And then I'm going to mark where I think the next support level will come in play. Where the heck is the sorry, you guys know I mostly trade on Ninja, but I am on here. We connected one of my funded accounts on here through Trade of 8. All right, so this is where I'm looking. This is where I think the next support level is going to be. So we have the red background. We have all these down confidence heroes. We now have pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. We broke this kind of support area that I drew up here, so that's cool. That made me feel better about taking this trade. And you know, a lot of times, if you don't have something like this indicator, the Maverick AI Pro, coloring your candles, all you have is green and red candles. You don't know what the data is behind the candles. You can only tell, you know, direction. You can tell, you know, size of the candle, but you really don't have anything other than that. The Maverick AI Pro is coloring your candles to what we're seeing behind the scenes, the data. And right now we have all pink candles. And again, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We're below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. When we're above the blue line, we go long. When we're below the blue line, we go short. Now, this is after hours trading, so I'm not looking for like the biggest move ever, but pretty cool. And yeah, so Maverick Trender down at the bottom here is showing us a downtrend label. Oh, now, see, I just jinxed myself. Just turned from downtrend to no trend. But for most of this time, we've had a downtrend label. When this red line cannot go any further up, when it gets pegged to the top of this panel, that's showing strength and momentum. So hopefully we'll get this label back here. And we're getting a little bit of a retracement. I am on the 1 minute, which I normally do not trade. But I know you guys like to see the 1 minute here and there, so I flipped it over. I know a lot of you guys trade the 1 minute. I normally trade the 5 minute. So we're just going to let this keep running down. My line in the sand is the Maverick guide. So that blue line right there is my line in the sand. Okay, so as long as we stay below that sucker, I'm going to take this thing down. I'm going to target this purple line that I drew down here. This is the next support level. And yeah, we're going to take it from there. So I'm going to leave this trade up. We're going to keep watching it. I'm going to target the purple line, and my line in the sand is the Maverick guide. So as long as I stay with pink candles and I stay below this Maverick guide and my Maverick trender continues to be pegged, although right now we're getting a kind of a resting point, so I don't have a trend, but hopefully that'll come back up and we'll keep rocking this trade. All right, I'll leave my screen up. I'll let it keep recording. Beautiful. We just got the downtrend label on the Maverick trender, and we should keep pushing down. So if you're interested in having clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading, if you want edge, listen, not financial advice, do your own research. Like I always say, it's not for everybody, but I sure do like it. Come to our website, read what our traders are saying, read their reviews. Don't take my word for it. Come read what they're saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And by the way, our indicators do work on TradingView and NinjaTrader. All right, safe trading. I'm going to take this thing either down to the purple line, or if it crosses back above the Maverick guide, come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com.